Mother's Day bracelets are not just jewelry. They are symbols of love, appreciation, and lasting connection. Designed to celebrate care and gratitude, each bracelet transforms thoughtful details into a meaningful gift she can wear every day. Discover PandaHall's Mother's Day bracelet collection, thoughtfully selected for jewelry designers, DIY creators, and brands crafting gifts with emotional value. From initial inspiration to finished designs, this category makes heartfelt creation easier. From soft, minimalist designs to symbolic styles filled with meaning, this collection offers a wide range of bracelets to match different tastes. Ideal for gifting, layering, or seasonal collections, each piece reflects warmth and sincerity. Every bracelet is shaped by careful craftsmanship, smooth finishes, balanced proportions, and comfortable structures ensure each design feels as good as it looks, perfect for daily wear and special moments alike. Loved by designers and customers alike, these popular Mother's Day bracelets stand out for their versatile styling and emotional appeal. Easy to pair, easy to gift, they are trusted choices for meaningful collections. Create jewelry that feels personal and intentional. PandaHall Mother's Day bracelets offer dependable quality, flexible design options, and endless inspiration, helping you turn appreciation into timeless, wearable memories. Thanks for watching! Celebrate love, gratitude, and connection with Mother's Day bracelet designs from PandaHall.